Okay, ag mechanics. If you were not in class today, we did a demonstration for GFCI receptacles. So you need to make sure you research the difference between the load side and the line side. You wire receptacles or anything down line if you want it to be protected with that GFCI on the load side. And if you want to wire it to where it is not protected, you wire it on the line side. So make sure you look that up and you understand the difference in that. We're going to have a virtual wiring PBM and honors assignment on Monday. So you definitely want to look that up. And then today, after we did that, our final thing in class was this electrical wiring review. This was due by the end of class. So if you were not in class today, you want to make sure you look this up. It looks very similar to the outline. So all you have to do is type it in and submit it. And bada bing, bada boom, you're done. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in class on Monday.